Now, I hope they don't flag me for having this gun on here. I've been wanting to take this off. This gun has iron sights. Let me see if I can get it up there to show you. See, they got iron sights right here. And so yeah, right there. And it's got the tip on it. It's really accurate iron sight. I mean, it's tremendously accurate. And we put a scope on it. I put a scope on it. This was something I gave my father. Oh gosh, back in the late 70s. Well, late 70s. But it's a Canadian Centennial. I don't know if I can get that camera up there to read it. But it's a Canadian bicentennial. Oh, I'm sorry, no, Canadian Centennial. A 1867 through 1967. So yeah, it's a beautiful rifle. It's a 30-30 lever action. Everything's still wonderful on it. So I got some infrared stuff coming in today, and they infrared thing coming in, and it amounts to a scope. So I've been wanting to take this off anyway. So today is that day. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, and let's see. Okay, so we got the deal loose here, and I sprayed it with a bunch of stuff to make sure all the things come off. You know, Master Blaster stuff. This stuff works pretty good, but I don't know that I really needed it. But you know, at the same time, why take a chance? Just do that now. Oh yeah, it's like, yeah, I don't know if you can see through it. Not really, doesn't really do it justice. Wonder why not. I don't know, but you definitely got a view there. It's really a nice gun. It's a Winchester 30-30 octagon barrel. And all you people who know what that is, but which octagon barrel of course is a very reliable barrel, but at the same time it's a very heavy barrel. So anyway, so it makes the gun very heavy, but it is a very nice gun. And Winchester came out with it, of course, in 1967. Which again, like I said, I think I got the gun in the late 70s. Pretty sure 76, 78. Yeah, because I got the gun when I was around. I bought it for him when at my first job, Summer Twin Drive-In. Larry Pankey was the manager there. He run the thing, and he had it, and I think I gave $100 for it or something. And I've had many of people want to buy it already for way more than that. You know, just not going to sell it. Of course, you know, it's got sentimental reasons. And probably after me, it's not going to really matter. People are just going to. So yeah. Anyway, we got iron sights, like I pointed out, and then of course we got that. If you look at it, there's the octagon barrel. Oh, don't point a gun at me. Whatever. Side load. Well, guess what? Those screws can't go in there. All right, it's probably these that are causing the issue, so let's take these out. That's good to find out now instead of trying to load it and get out there and maybe go hunting or something, right? We're going to start the tape. gets put on where that goes. All right, so we're gonna set the tape, and now let's see what we want to do. Let's go ahead and mount this puppy up here. All right, which is the infrared. That's it. Still not enough. There we go. The infrared. Get it lined up nicely. Tighten that up. Kind of crooked. Don't like that. Let's try that. Okay, got it pretty straight. So, it's got a battery in it. We need to put batteries in this thing, which I should have already done. Great. Oh, okay, there we go. So let's put some batteries, and it takes this specific. Okay, we're back. All right, so put the batteries in. The batteries go in that compartment right there. Of course, it goes in there like I showed you. Now, they have a 30 millimeter and a 1 inch bracket. Now this is a 1 inch, so that's what I'm going to use. Also, know that you're going to be putting these in upside down. And you want to make room for your rifle scope, your rifle mounts. Which I did, but I'm not going to use it on the rifle right now. You saw the 30-30 I took it off of. So for now, right now, it's just going to be used as upside down. It's going to be used there we go. It's going to be used as a mount, a hand mount. So I can use it just as just going into the woods and scanning the woods around the campground, things like, or the camping area, camping site. Just, you know, catch on these little animals and things like that. That's out in the stuff. And then later I'll put it on the hunting deal. So, yeah. Now we're looking at, we are going to mount the scope, or the, what do you call this thing? The monitor. So the monitor's on. Now that will tilt up, tilt down. Now this is the fun part. So remember, this goes down. This goes down. It's the on and off switch, so that goes down. Okay. I guess that's the, not on and off. Maybe it's on and off. And then we'll put it on, Lord willing, get it over that tape, which that's not doing so well. So now before I put that down, screw that down, and then we turn the on and off switch on, and we'll see it come on, and you can see it's doing something right now, but we got to pick it up and we got to see. Okay, so we got the finished product right there. I'm putting my finger over it. At this distance, we can fine tune it just the way they have you set up the scope. We can bring in the whoops, too much. We can bring those in crosshairs. In the back would be, but since we're not hunting, not worrying about some crosshairs right now, we'll just bring all that back into here for now, and so we'll be able to focus our distance. Okay, well, that's it. That's the setup. Let's see if we can get it halfway dark in here to set up. Now, that's pretty wild in itself, just because focus that in. Where's the camera? That's amazing because there's no light. Now, I don't know. Let's turn on the infrared. But I don't know. That's infrared. Is that not crazy? Let's see if, yeah. So that's infrared. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry guys, there's your infrared. That's with it off. And it still picks up amazing light. Turn the infrared back on, and boom, it's even clearer. So it's kind of cool. I know I'm jumpy right now, but you know, that's kind of cool, guys. All right, we'll check y'all out later.
Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, mothers, let's go down. Let's go down. Come on down. Come on, mothers, let's go down. Down in the river to